Hey, Tina here, and I'm going to give you my go-to recipe for the easiest breakfast on earth. On Sundays, I meal prep. It takes me about an hour and a half. I will do all my breakfasts and all my lunches for the week. Then I don't have to worry about anything. It's already made. Well, this is my number one go-to for breakfast, and this is egg white muffins. Easy, easy peasy. The first thing you need is this little silicone sucker. If you can get these, they're awesome because eggs like to stick to everything. I still take these and I will spray them with a little bit of coconut oil, put them on top of parchment paper, just on a regular pan to go into the oven. And the next thing I do, this is so easy, don't have to crack any eggs. I buy the egg whites, fill my muffin cups with that. And today I'm adding a little bit of feta cheese. If I was doing a whole food detox, I would not add the dairy, but I'm not. So I'm going to add a little bit of crumble, a little bit of feta cheese into each muffin tin. And then I'm going to add some vegetables from my garden. So this is just what I have on hand. It can be anything, mushrooms, onions, whatever I have in the fridge I usually take. But these are from my garden because it's a great time of year for harvesting everything. Cherry tomatoes, some green peppers, and some red peppers. And then if I want to add a little bit of extra spice, I add no salt spices. So this is one of my favorites. It's a Mrs. Dash, and it is Southwest Chipotle. Awesome. The other one I really love is extra spicy, but you can get them in all kinds of flavors, but these two I will put in the egg whites and they are great. Now that fixes up my source of protein. So in order to balance my carbs and my fats, once I put something spicy like this in, then I usually add on my plate with 2 Eggies. For me, a guy would be double that, 4, but for me 2 Eggies, and then I will add a dollop of salsa. My carbohydrate might be a piece of Ezekiel toast, and my fat would be half an avocado sliced. Not a massive avocado, medium to small avocado, half an avocado sliced, and that would balance my proteins, my fats, and my carbs. If I wanted to do something a little bit less spicy, or that sort of savory taste and something sweet, and for my carbohydrate, I might have a bunch of fruits, so probably blueberries and raspberries together, or blueberries and strawberries together, and then just a heaping tablespoon of natural nut butter. Can be almond, can be peanut, whatever you want, as long as it's all natural, just the nuts, none of the oil and the other additives made in. And so the nut butter is my fat and the berries are my carbohydrate, and 2 Eggies makes a balanced breakfast of proteins, fats, and carbs. There you go. It's just that easy. I'll do 12. I have a few extra in the fridge for my husband if he wants to grab and go, but I take 10 of those to work, and that's good for my breakfast, along with my berries or along with my Ezekiel toast. So if you want more recipes like this, I encourage you to come and join our Weight Busters community. So we are Menopause Weight Busters. You'll find us on Facebook. You'll find us on Facebook, and the Facebook groups were a nice free private community of sisters all working towards being healthy and lean in our menopause years. That's it for now. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.